Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add USDT to your MetaMask. So if you want to send USDT to your MetaMask, this is what you have to do. So the first thing you will have to do is import the token. That's the very most important thing. So we will search up our tokens right here and search for USDT. So USDT will come on different chains right here, but mostly in the BNB chain. So I suggest using the BNB chain because it has zero fees when you're using Binance or other actual exchanges. So you import it here, and then when you press USDT, it's in the BNB chain. All you have to do is press receive right here, and then you'll be able to actually get USDT to add it into your MetaMask. So you can request payment from other people, or you can scan this QR code, or you can actually just copy the account right here, copy the CA, and then use another exchange to actually send it right here. If you want to buy, you can also do so right here. There's a feature where you can buy your own actual tokens right here in MetaMask, but that's how we're talking about. We're only talking about how to add the USDT into your MetaMask right here. So basically, that's how you just do it. Just press the receive button right here, and you'll be on your way. So make sure you're using the same chain so that it won't disappear into the network. So there you go, guys, and that's how you do it.